You all know about what is ODE, what is order of the differential equation, what is degree, everything you know. But still, what is ODE? Differential equation which contains only one independent variable and one or more dependent variable. Okay, must and should, there should be only one independent variable. Number of independent variables is equal to 1 and the number of dependent variables is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so in this there exist two types. Okay, if dependent variable is equal to 1 and if dependent variable is greater than 1. Okay, if number of dependent variable is only 1, then that ODE is called as simple ODE. Okay, that means in simple ODE there exists only one dependent variable y and there exists only one independent variable, that is x. Okay, here y is dependent on x only. Okay, next, if number of dependent variable is greater than 1, that is if the differential equation contains only one independent variable and more than one dependent variable. Okay, that means if dependent, suppose if dependent variables are 2, for example y1 and y2, and independent variable is always 1 in ODE. Okay, that is x. So then this system, this is called as system of ODE, because if dependent variables are 2, we need two ordinary differential equation to define that problem. So for example, dy 1 by dx plus 2 into dy 2 by dx is equal to 0 and dy 1 by dx, 2 dy 1 by dx minus 3 dy 2 by dx is equal to 0, like that. Okay, this is one problem including two equations. So this is called as system. This is system of ODE. In this class I am discussing system of ODE. Okay, before that one small result I will tell regarding first order first degree differential equation, because it is very tricky and you did not get in any books. Okay, so if you know that result you can easily answer one question. For that you need the definition of solution of differential equation. Okay, so differential equation hegirutte, one general form baradre, it contains, differential equation contains, it is the function of independent variable x and dependent variable y, and differential equation means it should contains derivatives of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Okay, so if it is first order derivative y dash means dy by dx. Okay, y double dash so on, anything is equal to 0. This is the general form of differential equation, simple ODE. Okay, so idakke ನಾವು solution na heng define ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if there exists any function y is equal to phi of x, if ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ differential equation ಗೆ solution ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, first of all this function should satisfies given differential equation. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ y ನ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ differential equation ಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆ equation satisfy ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, second condition, substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ first of all we need to find out y dash, y double dash so on. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು derivatives ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು first find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. So that another condition is there should exist n derivatives of y. That is y should differentiable n times. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ order of the differential equation ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ derivatives ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್, ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. given function y is equal to phi of x should satisfies the given differential equation and there should exist nth order, nth derivatives of y. Okay na?